Lucy Natasha Carmel, a woman gifted and anointed with a strong prophetic unction and destiny-changing mandate.
I speak as an oracle. Whatever the devil has taken from you, from your family, from your children, Jesus, I declare restoration.
To deliver, equip, and empower people with the love of God.
Your joy is coming back. Yes. Your health is coming back.
Yes. Encounter the prophetic.
Can I prophesy?
Prophesy!
I see your face, I see your case.
My God!
I see your case, I prophesy.
Prophesy!
I'm hearing a name in the spirit, and I'm seeing God has called your husband, but there has been so many delays, but the Lord is canceling the delay.
Prophesy!
Vibrate the soul.
Prophesy, oracle!
But the Lord says, the item that will be in your hand is not a microphone to preach.
Prophesy!
I am seeing like a saxophone.
Encounter the miraculous.
You will serve the purpose of God for this generation. In the mighty name of Jesus. There is a restoration. It's important to speak up because Jesus in his earthly ministry, he cast out demons by the spoken word. He healed by the spoken word.
Fearless generation, reaching Jesus, winning souls, making disciples, raising leaders, depopulating hell and populating heaven.
Any trap they have set for you,
in the name of Jesus,
any pit they have done for us, they will enter themselves.
Our generation is our responsibility.
Any plan, any plot, any scheme, any agenda of the devil against our life and destiny,
come on,
we declare back to the center.
Join me as I make welcome the oracle of God, Reverend Lucy Natasha Carmel.